Hi, Bill Nye here, CEO of the Planetary Society, and we'd like you to write to the President of the United States concerning the budget for planetary science, for planetary exploration. As you may know, we've asked you to write to Congress and to the Office of Management and Budget and the Office of Science and Technology Policy, and our people in Washington have studied the situation. And the next step, the key step, is to write to the President himself. Now, even if you don't like the President, we'd like you to write to him because he's the guy that can make that last little bit, that last thing happen to make sure that the budget for planetary science gets restored. We're talking about missions to Mars and Europa. You know, scientists have gone back through the budget, they've reconfigured things so that they've come up with a plan to explore Mars that will be acceptable to everyone. But we have to push that last little bit. Our people on the inside tell us that what we've been doing, or what you've been doing, is working. But we need to do this last step, and that's where you come in. Please visit planetary.org/SOS for Save Our Science. You can either send it in electronically right from there as you see it, or you could modify it a little bit and send it in. But we really want you to act now so that it gets in before the end of the year, before the next fiscal year 2014 budget gets established. This is where you and I can make a big difference. Please take action. You and I can change the future. Thanks very much.